It's face shaving time, guys. It's been a long time I shaved my face. Anyways, you're most welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliana Amoateng. If you are seeing me for the first time, today I'm going to show you how I do my facial skincare routine, especially when I do shave. Today is the day I'm going to be shaving. I haven't shaved in months. Usually I'll shave like once a month, but because I've been shaving once a month in the past, my facial hair has really decreased with the way it grows back, you understand. So I don't shave as much as often as I started shaving, and it hasn't done anything to my skin. It is not for everyone, guys. Shaving your face is not for everyone. It's supposed to be actually done by professionals, but some of us tried and it worked for us by ourselves. So please, if you're not so sure and if you have super sensitive skin, please do see a professional before you attempt this skincare routine. It's not for everyone, okay? So straight into it, you can tell from my face that I still do have some blemishes, of course, because I'm treating them with my dermatological prescriptions. Some of you have already seen my dermatological video, like when I went to see my dermatologist and you've already seen it. I'm treating them, and I love the healthiness of my skin so far. My skin is so healthy. Like you can see, I haven't rubbed anything on my face actually. It is my raw face right from the washroom. Nothing is on my face. I'm just about to shave. Anyway, so let us do some before. So let's begin. First off, I'm going to be using this particular razor blade to do the shaving. You can get this from any beauty shop around you. It mostly comes in 3-in-1 pack, our 10 or 15 Ghana cedis, or maybe 20 Ghana cedis maximum. So you can get it from any beauty shop around you. And some people prefer to shave on dry skin, but even though I've tried that, it didn't do anything to my face. I found that it's a little irritative. So I usually use oil. This is Palmer's cocoa butter body oil. This is the only time I use body oil on my face. I don't use body oil on my face ever. The only time I use body oil on my face is when I'm coming to shave, okay? You can equally use baby oil because it's a one-time thing, like I'm saying. So I just rub it in my palms and then put it on my face like that. It just allows the razor blade to glide smoothly on my face. So that's why I love using the oil. We have a visitor here. It's that time of the month, so they love to show up, you know. I don't know if you can tell from my lips, like the hairs. I mean, we are going to do it together so you see the hair growth on my face. So once I have it like this, I just try to clean the oil from my palms so that I can hold the razor blade very well. And to begin shaving, I am able to tell that my facial hair grows on my forehead. It grows in like downwards. Okay, so I shave downwards on my forehead, and then when I get to this side, I shave to this side. When I get here, I shave to this side, and then when I get on my cheeks, I shave downwards because that's where my facial hair grows towards. You understand? So where your hair grows towards, that is where you would shave. Okay, so you don't shave in the opposite direction, otherwise you're really going to irritate your skin. So I'm just going to start right from here, and I love to sometimes pull my skin a bit so that I can really have that effect. Have you guys seen it already? Woo! Wow, look at that. So I also keep a tissue by my side so that I'll just rub the hair off from the tissue. And this is what we have now. So I also use the chance to trim my eyebrows most of the times. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of trimming. I'll bring it down here. And the blade is a new one. I never use a used blade on my face. So when you get to this part, you want to be very careful because this place is delicate. Let me get my eyebrow brush. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing for this side. So now that I'm done trimming my eyebrows, I'm going to continue with the rest of my forehead. And then someone may ask, what is the importance of shaving your face? So whilst it's absolutely fine to have facial hair, I mean, some people prefer not to shave their face, which is totally fine. We are all different. I do not want my facial hairs, so that is why I'm shaving them. But then more importantly, for the reason, shaving the face really removes every dead skin cell from the face. It's like an intensive exfoliation, right? This pimple is still healing, so I'm trying to be very careful around it. And I also shave in between my eyebrows and then down to the bridge of my nose very gently, because you can hurt yourself. And then I try to insert the blade just at the tip of my nose so that I remove any hairs that are trying to pop out, you understand? Like not too deeply, because the hair in your nostrils are there for a reason. They are there to protect you from allowing dirt entering your nose here and there, right? So we are done with the upper part of our face. I'm going to go down here and then my chin. So when I reach my lips, like around my lips, I poke my tongue like that so that it will push out the skin for me to really see how much hair I have to shave off, you understand? So like, you get? See the gunk? And then finally under my chin, there's not a lot of hairs under my chin, but I would still love to go there and remove whatever that is there. Guys, so this is how much hair we shaved off. I know. So much gag, right? So once I'm done, I use the Palmer's complexion toner to remove the excess oil on my face. I mean, everything has been shaved off, but there's a bit of oil still on my face, so I use this to remove the oil. It's just left with a little, just a little, and I'm going to do that with this cotton pad here, or cotton balls. They are so small. When you shave very carefully, it's not supposed to stink like too much. You are going to just feel some tingling on your face. It's not going to be too much if you shave very, very carefully. So you can tell that I'm not doing it too harsh. I'm just doing it as gentle as possible. And I'm using the chance to wipe the back of my ears and then inside my ears. And then afterwards, I'm going to wet some paper towels and I'll just tap on my face like that. So you see, my face is already looking so good, so fresh, so clean. So this is how it's looking like. Now I'm going to follow it up with my regular skincare, like I would do every morning, okay? So this is Cosrx, is it Cosrx? Cosrx Advanced Snail Mucin. But before then, I'm going to apply this T-Duct on all the developing acne, the ones that are healing and the ones that are developing. Just going to apply some on those acne. And this was also prescribed. And I always highly recommend that if you are suffering from any skincare issues, please visit a dermatologist, visit a skincare clinic so that the prescriptions will be tailored to your specific needs. You understand? Don't just watch me and go and buy this. You get it? It's not advisable. If you guys want me to show you my night routine as well, please let me know. I'll be glad to show you my night routine. So I'm just tapping on it until everything absorbs perfectly into my skin. And then I'll follow it up with the Snail Mucin. Very, very generous because I just shaved my face, so I need a lot of moisture on my skin. My face feels so smooth. It feels so smooth, guys. So whilst aside about absorbing, I'll just tap onto my face to make sure that everything is absorbed. So once I start getting that stickiness, I'll just follow it up with my face cream. This is Duffy's Repair in shade 2, and I use Duffy specifically for its brightening effects. You know, the use of tretinoin really dehydrates and darkens your complexion. So Duffy's brightens the skin, not lighten. It just brightens your complexion. My face feels so good. And then I'd love to sit for a while, about 1 to 2 minutes before applying my sunscreen finally for the day. And currently I'm using the Madagascar Central Hylu-Cica Waterfit Sun Serum. It's a mouthful. I said the sunscreen was final, but the lip gloss is actually final. I cannot leave my day without a lip gloss. This is Shea Gloss by DyLuri Beauty. Yeah, I apply a lot. A lot. Yep, so this is how we are looking. So delicious and so scrumptious. Oh, delicious. Look at my face. Look at the before and look at the after. See the comparison, guys. Like, oh my god. Can totally tell my face is so hydrated, so glowing. It looks so healthy, you know, and I look good. Don't I look good? Alright guys, so if you want some of the Cosrx, the advanced Snail Mucin, and the Madagascar Central Sun Serum, you can use my YesStyle link to place all your orders for any Korean skincare products actually. So if you're using any Korean skincare product and you're not sure whether you're going to get quality from Ghana, do not worry. If you use my link, you're going to get a little bit of discount, you know, so that you can order directly from YesStyle using my link. So I'm going to put the link in my description box. Use it and you're going to get the advanced Snail Mucin from there. You're also going to get this sunscreen from there. And like I'm saying, there are a lot of Korean skincare products that you might also find helpful for your skin. You understand? So please do that. As for the Palmer's products, you can get them from Palmer's Ghana's page on Instagram. And then on Duffy, with the Duffy's facial products, you can also get it from Duffy's organic health pages on Instagram and TikTok as well. What product did I use that I haven't mentioned? I think I've mentioned everything. The cotton ball was gotten from La Paz. Yeah, my husband bought them for me from La Paz. And then the T-Duct was a prescription. You get it. And like I mentioned, the blades, you can get it from any beauty shop around you. So basically, this comes to the end of my morning skincare routine plus shaving my face. If I'm not shaving my face, I'll just go ahead with my regular skincare like I did. But then shaving my face is the first step anytime I am trying to exfoliate intensively for my skin. I hope this has been helpful. Do let me know if you have any other questions. I have other skincare videos that I have done. I've linked them in my playlist at the end of this video, so please do check them out. And let me know if you have any other questions and any other beauty video you want me to be bringing you apart from hair as well. I'll be so glad. Okay, do have a blessed day. I wish you all the best and I love you. Have a nice day. Bye. Mwah.